Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited, and here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. A reactionary key reversal up yesterday, whose range I suppose was not that surprising. The action once again showed off nearby supports and resistances quite clearly. Below, we have the wide congestion zone between 72.89 and 68.26. This is an interesting zone as it increases in strength the closer you move towards the bottom of it. It also has within it another congestion band between 7,000 and 6,800 dating from December 2017 to June 2018. Meanwhile above, we have the 50% Fibonacci line of the March 2020 to March 2022 move at 76.06. The January low at 2021 at 77.06, the slowly declining short-medium moving average currently 77.37, and the lesser Fibonacci line at 77.75. There's one further significant resistance, but I will deal with that separately. Overall, the big picture is still dominated by the late August to date bear channel, currently 77.04 to 69.35, and it is the upper bear channel line that is the separate resistance here. This pressure from the bear channel down towards a significant congestion zone below may be the reason why we saw such recent intraday indecision in recent times. Now, so far today, well, no real follow through to yesterday's key reversal up, none at all. Instead, a lower open and the short moving average, currently 75.35, capping the market. We've not seen a full fall, but the market seems unhappy right now about testing that overhead area. LME 3-month aluminium. A bullish white soldier yesterday, based on the August 2018 high at 21.78 and seemingly capped by the wandering short moving average currently at 22.54. This was a reaction to the earlier limited move lower as the result of the failure to, once again, of the market to move above the gently sloping downwards short-medium moving average currently at 23.08. This mirrors what had happened the previous times the market tried to punch up through this short-medium moving average back in late August and mid-August, again 2 weeks ago as well as last week, failing at all times. Additionally, this time we've had the added influence of the declining medium moving average, and that's currently at 23.89. That's a little higher up. In the big picture, well, I had previously drawn two prospective trend lines. The purpose of these was that perhaps, just perhaps, the recent action since August might have just be a diamond pattern currently in construction. I'm not saying it is or whether this would be a diamond pattern or even a weird reverse head and shoulders pattern or something else completely, a double bottom. But I'm just saying for clarity that this is what it's looking at the moment. But I'm still minded right now to look at it as a possible diamond pattern in construction. That's why I've also taken the much more recent step to draw an October-based downtrend currently at 23.70 that is just below the falling medium moving average, and for me a very presumptuous and radical uptrend from the end of September currently at 21.71. There is an assumption on my part here, and not that this presents the possible diamond pattern with a contradiction, but there's an assumption that there is also an integral cat's ears pattern within the proposed diamond pattern. Now, I'm happy to finesse the diamond pattern, but we'll just point out that the middle 3 days of this week might possibly be a 3-day bullish morning star pattern. If that is the case, then it will build up the case for the diamond pattern and the chance to move up towards the October 2018 high at 22.67. To be honest, I'm not comfortable with a lot of things here. They have no confirmation and a lot of assumption, but I'd rather say them and look foolish now than a bigger fool later on. Now, so far today, well, a small reactionary move back down, but halting just short of the August 2018 high right now, and of course the lower uptrend of the proposed diamond pattern. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives you essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.